Hello YouTubers, my name is Lazaros Mouvoridis, I am from Thessaloniki, Greece, and today I want to talk to you about Indesit and their customer service in Athens. We bought this Indesit washing machine back in 2010. It worked 2-3 times and then one of its main boards got fried. We called the customer service and the technician came and fixed it. It worked another 2-3 times and it got fried again. This happened 3 times in total, and then the technician filed a replacement report and sent it to Indesit main offices, which are located in Athens. We even have the dates the reports were filed. One report was filed on 5th of July, and one report was filed on 16th of November in 2011. After that, in the past 3 years, we were calling them every day, but 8 out of 10 calls were not answered. The people there are very rude. They called us liars when we complained that they don't answer our phone calls. So, 3 years passed, and last time we spoke to them, they politely told us that the warranty is expired. So I decided to warn all of you before you decide to buy something from this company, especially you, my fellow Greeks, because Indesit's people in Athens are most impolite and incompetent I ever had to do with. Now I will smash this piece of junk with a sledgehammer, and maybe at least I have some fun for my 450 euros. I want to thank Indesit in Athens personally, because they were so helpful to us and so polite. Thank you for calling us liars, and I was really happy working with you.